Check out our licensed Ferrari 488 GTE foot-to-floor ride-on car. Not only does this look great, but it's also fun too. Your little one will find it easy to push anywhere they like, and it even comes with a working horn. Like the bigger brother, this is a fully licensed Ferrari 488, the perfect little thing to keep around the house for them to run around in. It's suitable for children of up to 3 years of age or up to 95 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning horn, official brand stickers and badges.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. Check out the realistic brake discs, padded leather style seats. Rubber tyres makes the ride more comfortable for your child whilst giving the car more grip. The livery on this car has been designed to spark your child's imagination. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer a free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.